Yes, my people, so today I'm gonna do some Nigerian jollof rice and chicken. So we're taking you to Nigeria today. How is that? Nigerian jollof rice. So look, I have all my ingredients right here. All my ingredients I have right here. I have my tomato, I have my onion, I have my green onion, I have garlic, my habanero, I have the turmeric, original turmeric. I'm not using no curry powder. And I have ginger. Yeah, lemon and habanero. This is kaya pepper, the big one. Over here, I have my thyme, and I have my 6 cheese plus sauce. Okay? All right. Over here, I have my bell pepper. I'm gonna twist it a little. I'm gonna use my total seasoning and my chicken seasoning. Okay? Okay, I'm gonna make my chicken broth. I'm gonna start right away. I'm gonna jump right into it. I'm gonna move this aside. I'm moving my cutting board aside. I'm gonna use chicken thighs, thigh and leg, and chicken wings. That's what I'm gonna use, okay? So I'm already washed my chicken. You can see my chicken is well clean. I washed my chicken in vinegar. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut my chicken up for you, and then I'm gonna rinse it again, and I'm jumping right into it, okay? So I'm just cutting my chicken in the joint. So I'm just cutting my chicken right in the joint right here, and then I'm gonna wash it again. I already cleaned my chicken, but I'm still gonna give it a second wash. And then I'm gonna start to boil my chicken. I'm gonna pre-cook my chicken for about 20 minutes so I can make my chicken broth instead of using water. So you see how I cut my chicken right at the joint, and then I just do that, just like that. Now I'm gonna wash it a second time. I'm gonna use my lemon. And lemon is lime. I'm using lime. So I'm gonna wash my chicken a second time. I like to wash my chicken multiple times. And you know, any little excessive fat or so, I cut it off. You know. So this is an excessive fat, I just cut it off. You know, I always like to cut all the excessive fat off. It's gonna boil it's gonna boil, so all the fat gonna go, but you know, it's gonna go in the broth. So that's fine. Right here in this chicken here, we always just clean this out too. Take this out. Bam. See? Take this out. There's another one over here, so I took this one out too. Bam. Yeah. Okay. So yes, my people. So now my chicken is got a second wash. So you can see my chicken, it's well, you see, it's well dried out, well clean and nice. So yeah, I'm gonna season my chicken right now and make my chicken broth. So this is my nice chicken wings. No feather, nothing is on it. 4 chicken wings and you know, thighs. So here we go. So now I'm just gonna season my chicken a little bit. I'm gonna put my thyme in my chicken right here so it can boil. Also, this is my total seasoning. I'm gonna sprinkle my total seasoning. I'm not gonna measure it. I'm just gonna put about a teaspoon of total seasoning on it. That's about a teaspoon of total seasoning. And also I'm gonna put a teaspoon of my all-purpose chicken seasoning. of my all-purpose chicken seasoning. There you go. That's it. Turmeric. Okay, this is the better part of it. My turmeric and my ginger. So I'm gonna beat my turmeric and my garlic and my ginger. Here you go. Right here. I'm gonna just scrape the skin off my turmeric. Just like that. When you use a spoon, you don't use a lot, it don't take a lot of the skin. So you use a spoon to scrape your turmeric. Here you go. My turmeric, here you go. Another one. I'm just gonna use 2 turmeric because turmeric is very strong. It's curry. It's gonna give the chicken the color. And this is my garlic. So I'm gonna just crush my garlic. I'm gonna just take the skin out. Yes, this is my favorite tool right now I bought it from Amazon. I can leave the link down below if you need it. Inbox me and I can get you the link so you can get your mortar from Amazon. These mortar they came from Amazon. So I'm gonna just crush my ginger with that. I'm gonna crush my ginger too. I'm gonna just rip the skin off of it with the spoon like that. Just use this see that? Just use the spoon and scratch it off, scratch the skin off of it. Just like that. There you go. Just like that. Just like that. So I'm gonna my ginger. I'm gonna pound them. And then I'm gonna put them into my chicken, and I'm gonna dry rub it a little bit. Here you go. I'm gonna rub it a little bit, and then I'm gonna put it on the fire. So I'm gonna put it on the fire and let the season marinate in the chicken and let it sit for a little bit, and then I'll be right back with you. So yes, my people, so right now, here's my chicken on the fire, and I'm just gonna cover it down and let it stay there and let it steam with its own juice, so it can marinate the seasoning. Low flame. It's going to be a very low flame. Keep your stove at medium. And so till this thing can get the own curry, because the turmeric is the curry. Right? So my stove is at medium. And so yes, my people, so while I'm waiting on my chicken to get the color, so I can put a little water in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start I want you to see my chicken right here. See my chicken? I'm gonna cook it like 80%. You see my chicken? It's getting the color. So I'm gonna add just a little bit of water. After 3 minutes, I'm gonna add a little bit of water so I can make my chicken broth. All right, so I'm gonna add a little bit of water and give it a little boil to about 20 minutes. That's what I'm about to do right now, okay? All right, just enough to almost to cover the chicken. So I'm gonna cover this and let it boil for 20 minutes. Let the chicken pre-cook so I can get my broth from it, my chicken broth. Okay? All right. I'm gonna cover my chicken and I'm gonna leave my chicken. Oh, before I go, I'm going to add some onion. I am going to add half an onion. Half an onion. Half an onion. I'm gonna add half an onion. All right, I'm gonna leave it to boil for 20 minutes. Just pre-boil, not come to a full boil, because I'm gonna fry it after. While it's boiling, I am going to start to blend I'm gonna blend all of this here. I'm gonna blend my bell pepper. I'm gonna blend my green onion. I'm gonna blend the rest of my onion. And I'm gonna blend one piece of my my turmeric. And I'm gonna blend this tomato with this habanero and these. So I'm gonna jump right into it. I'm gonna start do all of this right now. So at first I'm gonna blend my tomato and my onion. So I'm using 4 tomatoes. I'm using 4 tomatoes. I already blend 2, and also I'm using my red bell pepper. I'm using a red one and a yellow one. So yes, my people, so now my chicken is about halfway cooked. I'm gonna turn my stove off and I'm gonna separate my chicken from my chicken broth so I can fry my chicken. From my chicken broth. My chicken is about 80% cooked. I don't want my chicken to cook all the way. So now I have my chicken separated from my chicken broth. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start to fry my chicken. So I'm gonna let my grease come up to a temp of 300 degrees before I put my chicken in there. So yes, my people. So now my oil is up to temp. So I'm gonna be frying my chicken. I'm going to be turning my chicken from time to time so it fried evenly. So yes, my people, so now my chicken is getting golden brown. I keep flipping my chicken because I need my chicken to be very dry. So yes, my people, so I'm keep turning my chicken because I want my chicken to be very crispy. So now my chicken is ready. You see what my chicken is? It's ready. Some of them is ready, so I'm going to remove the ones that are ready. My drumstick, they are ready. And my wings are ready. So yes, my people, when I take my chicken out and my chicken is hot, I go ahead and I grind some, I put some grind black pepper and a little bit of grind salt. And a little bit of salt. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put it aside, put it away, and I'm gonna start to do my rice. So yes, my people, so now I'm done frying my chicken. So I'm gonna go ahead, all my blended in my pot, and I'm gonna leave it on a low steam, a very low flame, so it can reduce the water from the blended portion of. So yes, my people, so I'm chopping up my onion while I'm waiting on my blended vegetable. I'm chopping up my onion fine for my rice. This is half an onion, I used half already. So did so now it is ready. The most of the water is gone. I still could give it a couple more minutes so it can get all the water out. But it's ready now, so I'm going to start the process for my rice. Is to add a little of the oil what I use to fry my chicken. And I'm gonna add my onion. And also I'm gonna add my tomato paste. I'm gonna add 4 scoops of tomato paste. And I'm going to put my seasoning. I'm gonna put my Maggi. I'm using my Maggi, and I'm gonna put it inside. I'm going to add some salt. Spoon of salt. Also, I'm going to add my cayenne pepper. I'm going to cut up my cayenne pepper. Also, I'm going to add my tahini. And I'm going to leave this to cook into the onion. With a cup of pimento leaf. Just a cup of pimento leaf. So yes, my people, so now my tomato paste is fully cooked. Now I'm gonna go in with my blended seasoning. And I'm gonna stir it and let it get a good cook. When it get a good boil, then I'm gonna go in with my chicken broth. So I give this 5 more minutes. I'm gonna give this 5 more minutes to cook, so you can get rid of the sour taste out of the tomato. I'm leaving that to cook for 5 minutes. So yes, my people, so now my everything is come together. So now I'm gonna add my chicken broth. That's the chicken broth what I get from the chicken what I cooked earlier. I'm gonna add my chicken broth. Yes, my people, I'm just adding a little water. And now I'm gonna add my rice. So yes, my people, so this is the jollof rice. Jollof rice. And here is the chicken. Oh yes. After hard work, this is what you'll get. The chicken. Nigerian jollof rice and chicken. Look at it. I'm gonna make me a plate right now. So this is called the jollof rice. So yes, my people, I just finished cooking my jollof rice. I'm taking out of the pot. So this is the Nigerian jollof rice. The dry fried chicken. Look at it. So yes, my people, so right now I'm gonna make a fried plantain to serve with my jollof rice and fried chicken. I cut my plantain in small circles. I cut it in the skin, then I just take the skin off of it. It's easier when you cut in the right plantain. You cut it in the skin and then you just pop the skin off of it. It's very easy. Very easy. Just cut it in small circles in the skin. Then you just pop it out like that. Just like that, pop it out of the skin like that and just roll it off. There you go. So here you go with my jollof rice and dry fried chicken and fried plantain. Plate, and that's it. So yes, my people, so this is my jollof rice and chicken. It's all done. And take pictures of it, so look at it. That's the final process. Then I'm gonna make my plate and I'm gonna be tasting it, okay? Yes, my people, I come to the end of my fried chicken and jollof rice and fried plantain. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to give you a nice taste of my jollof rice and chicken and fried plantain and avocado. Stay tuned. It's my first time making it, so let me see. I'm going to give you my honest opinion on it. It really tastes good. You guys should try this recipe. It's really good. Yeah. It's really good. This is my first time making jollof rice and fried chicken. Nigerian Jollof rice. And the fried chicken. See the fried chicken how dry it is? You can hear the crunchiness here. That's how crunchy it is and soft inside. Look at it. It's really good. Tell a friend to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Catch you on the next one. I'm going to enjoy my meal because this one is really good.